What's up? Welcome to another video. So I don't know if you noticed, but there's kind of a hole over there. I've seen a few of your comments saying like, yo, do a scoop. Come on, do a scoop. Yeah man, just do a scoop. Okay. Anyway, moving on. So I have a piece of aluminium left over from when I did the fuel cell in the back. So I'm gonna use that and try to make a decent looking or somewhat decent looking scoop over here. I do want to get that done today because tonight I have a new floor arriving, or some old rubber flooring that I'm gonna use to cover up this nasty red paint. I guess let's just get into it and see what we can do.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit and I go crazy when I'm mad. I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit and I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you
have it. I just got done with the floor yesterday. Took a bit longer than I thought it would, but got it done. It's not perfect, the tiles aren't new, so it doesn't look perfect, but I think it looks a lot better. So here's it now, and then here's what it looked like before. I think it makes a huge difference, so very happy with that. Now we can move back to the scoop. All right, so I just have the scoop over here now. So the plan is to go with the American flag theme. So I'm gonna take some gloss black paint and then some matte black paint and a few stickers and a bit of masking tape and kind of design like American flag on here. I didn't want to go with the red, white and blue because on a black car that's going to look a bit out of place, I think. So I'm just going to take the two different blacks and see what I can figure out. So it's been raining the whole day today and I think it's going to rain tomorrow again. The sun is out now, so I think I'm going to take advantage of that and get the gloss black paint on there and get some masking tape on there to kind of figure out the design that goes along with the American flag. And then yeah, I don't know how this is going to look, but let's try. Even just like this, it looks a whole lot better just with the gloss black. Let's mark out where I want to put the stars and everything and see how it looks afterwards.
Try everything, coming right back. Won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear. Try this job, try this job, try this job, try this job.
So it took me a while to get all the stickers off, and unfortunately it leaves like a bit of glue behind. I think it came out a lot better than I thought. Let me just take it over here again. So I thought I will clean up the glue with some thinners, but it takes off all the paint. So I did that over there, but I just repainted it. And I went ahead and got some more stickers for it, just all the silver stickers, and put them back on. Got these stickers at a stationery shop. I'm guessing it's what teachers use to give children if they do something good, and usually stick it on their forehead. But with the glue that's on these, I think when the parents want to remove the stickers, they're going to take the kid's whole forehead off. So, but for what it is, it's turning out pretty good. Not bad at all, so let's get it on the car.
On a journey of self-discovery, I've been traveling through galaxies. Couldn't see through the opacity, made a turn drastically to seek my recovery. Let's try.
And there we have it. It's on the car and it's not going anywhere. I just gave it some pop rivets over there, and 3 at the back. And then it kind of goes with the curve of the car, which is good. Pretty cool. Also made it black underneath. Still need to clean up under here. I also gave the car a wash, so it's looking pretty good. Anyway, I got the intake manifold off. I still need to figure out how I'm gonna bolt that. I'm busy with it. I also want to tidy up all the wires over here, because underneath this thing, I just tucked all the wires in there. There's a bunch going over there. I would like to neaten that up and sort it out. That might also be the issue to the starting problems, I don't know. I tested the injectors outside of the car and only number 1 and 6 were pulsing. The rest were just pulsing now and then. They would squirt a little bit of fuel. So somewhere is an issue, and that's why I'm having issues with it not wanting to start. So far so good. Up until this point, it was only to get the car up and running, to test the engine. The engine is doing pretty good. Like in the last video, we did a compression test, and the engine seems healthy. So now just to sort everything out, and I would like to make everything look a bit better. With the little knowledge I have, I want to make it look good. Projects are never ending. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you like what you see, if you like the car and my idea with the car, please consider subscribing to my channel, and then I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.